Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name's Amit and today we'll be taking you through the install of front and rear parking sensors as well as heated seats on this lovely Hyundai i10. Now, these cars are great little cars. They are great city runabouts. They do all of the things that you'd want them to do. However, this client was missing a few different options. So the car has come to us directly from Hyundai themselves down in Cambridge, and we do a lot of work with all the dealerships around the local area and further afield as well. But the client hunted a few different upgrades. So we'll start off with the heated seats. A really careful upgrade and one that takes time and care to do. So what we have done on this car is install front heated seats. So that's both drivers and passenger side heated seats on the car. Now, the system works really nicely. Obviously, it is cold at the moment in the UK, and having heated seats is one of the most luxurious features you can add to the car, and one I love having. I hate cars that don't have heated seats. So the way the system works is you have a switch flush mounted in somewhere in the vehicle with an offsetting high and low. So you're giving you full control over the system on both seats. In this car, it's a really nice and neat solution just going into the center console, but obviously that location is a little bit different for every car. Some on the side of the seat, some in the center console, just wherever it's most convenient and easy to use. Now, the heated seat solution on these cars does take time and skill to do, as mentioned. Obviously, removing the material, adding in the heating elements, and retrimming everything. Getting it perfect takes some time and really a lot of skill and experience to get it done nicely and neatly, just as we've done here at CBS. As well as that, the client also wanted to add on front and rear parking sensors. Now, adding on sensors to these cars is a really careful job, and again, one that we need to take so much time to get done right and then tune the sensors to give you the best possible experience. Now, these are a 17mm flush fit sensor that goes directly into the front and rear bumpers, giving you that OEM look. You wouldn't know they're there if you weren't looking for them. Now, the front and rear sensors give you an audible tone, giving you your reference point for your distance away from any object. Now, again, your front sensors and rear have a different tone slightly, just so that you can hear the difference between front and rear if you're in a really tight spot. So now to show you how the system actually works, we're going to step in the car and just give you a little demonstration of how the sensors work in practice. So now we have seen how the system works. Again, really nice, really seamless, just like it was there from new. Now, front and rear sensors are a really nice package that we do here at CBS, but also adding in the heated seats, again, gives you that extra kind of luxury feel and extra functionality you'd want from your car. Now, if you're interested in having either one of these upgrades or anything else you've ever seen on the channel done to your car, please let myself know and I will help you find the right solution for your vehicle. Now, if you've enjoyed today's video on this little Hyundai i10, feel free to subscribe to this channel for future content just like this, and let me know down in the comments what car you'd like to see on the channel next. But thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.